Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace ball joint on Honda Accord, only way. Start by lifting the front end safely, set solid jack stands, and remove the wheel to access the suspension. Use a ball joint press or appropriate tools to separate the joint from the control arm. Keep track of fasteners and inspect boots, bearings, and other suspension parts. Work on one side at a time for safety and consistency. Remove the brake caliper and rotor to expose the hub, then disconnect the sway bar end link and tie rod end if they block the control arm. Support the lower control arm with a jack before unbolting the ball joint to prevent sudden drops. Use penetrating oil on corroded fasteners and a breaker bar for stubborn bolts. Clean mating surfaces and compare the new ball joint to the old one for correct fit before installation. Quick recommendation: if you like organized workspaces, I suggest the leak-proof containers for easy part sorting and mess-free transport. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and survive garage use without leaking fluids or stains. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more step-by-step repairs. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then grab the containers to keep small parts tidy. Now let's get back to the video. Install the new ball joint, hand thread fasteners first, then torque to manufacturer specifications using a calibrated torque wrench. Reassemble components in reverse order, replacing cotter pins, castle nuts, and any protective boots that are damaged. Lower the car and perform a short road test, checking for clunks, uneven steering, or pulling. Schedule an alignment after replacing suspension components to ensure tire wear and proper handling. Keep a repair log and parts receipts for future reference and warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.